Hey guys, Mike with Coda Pond Pros. I'm actually out here on a build that we're going to be doing some major transformations. We're going to be creating more of a natural pond where we have rock and gravel within the pond. As you can see down in the bottom here, we don't have any gravel at all. So we're going to be increasing that surface area for bacteria to colonize, but also finishing up some of these edges where we're going to have these really nice stair steps. We're going to make the pond a little bit deeper. And then we're also going to be creating some shelf along the sides. We're going to create some shelving. And so that shelving is going to help us with plant material and getting rid of that flagstone. So that flagstone was really just breaking up, really. It breaks up over time. This pond's been in the ground for, I think, about 20 years. We're also going to be moving some major rocks here. So we got some nice, big, pretty big boulders that we're going to be moving around. And we got some nice moss rock that we're going to be bringing in. So can't wait to see this transformation, and we'll see you on the evolution side of all this. All right, talk to you soon.